Refer the second problem. So in this problem, the acceleration of the particle is given by a is equal to minus 0.05 v square, and condition given is v is equal to 20 meter per second at x is equal to 0. Then find first position of the particle at v is equal to 15 meter per second, and second particle's acceleration at x is equal to 50 meter. Okay. So if you refer the given equation, then it is not function of time. So it is a function of velocity. So acceleration is given as minus 0.05 v square. Okay. So this equation, this is acceleration as a function of velocity. So now refer the standard equation for acceleration, which is a differential equation. So acceleration is equal to v into dv by dx. So we have to replace this value of acceleration by this equation. So we can write v into dv by dx. This is equal to minus 0.05 v square. Okay. So finally, to get some equation for velocity, okay, we have to cancel out the differentiation. That means we have to integrate this equation. Okay. So before integration, just rearrange the term. So we can write this equation as v into dv. So take this v square in the denominator. So this is v square. This is equal to minus 0.05 into dx. Okay. So this is equal to dv upon v. This is minus 0.05 dx. Okay. Now we integrate both the sides. So integration. So this is 1 upon v into dv, and integration minus 0.05 dx. So what is integration of 1 upon v with respect to v? So integration 1 upon v dv is equal to log v to the base e, and here this is constant minus 0.05. Integration dx, it will be x, and plus constant c1. Okay. So now put the condition v is equal to 20 and x is equal to 0. So if you put this condition in this equation, then this is log 20 to the base e. This is equal to x0. So we will get c1 directly as a log 20. So put this value of c1 in this equation. So this is log v to the base e is equal to minus 0.05 plus c1 is log 20 to the base e. So from this, we can write the equation for the position x as a function of velocity. Okay. Because if you refer the first question, then we have to find out position for the particle at v is equal to 15 meter per second. Okay. So for this, we will require one equation for the position, which will be function of the velocity. So try to get this equation from this equation. So we can write this equation as 0.5x. This is equal to this is log 20 to the base e minus log v to the base e. So x is equal to, or you can write 0.05x. This is equal to, so we can write this as log e 20 upon v. Okay. And x is equal to 1 upon 0.05 log 20 by v to the base e. Okay. So this is our final equation for the position as a function of velocity. So this equation is nothing but the function of velocity, because on the right hand side, the variable term, it is the velocity. Okay. Now you can use this condition. V is equal to 15. What is the value of position? So at V 15 meter per second, what is the value of x? So x is equal to 1 upon 0.05 log to the base e 20 upon v. So put x, v is equal to 15 in this equation. Okay, so you can solve this directly in your calculator. So in your calculator, there are two functions. One is log function and second is the ln function. Okay, so this ln, this is nothing but the log to the base e. So when you solve this log 20 by 15, use ln. Okay, so ln 20 upon 15. So this value is this is 0.2876. And x is equal to it is 5.75. Okay, so this is the answer for the first question. Now refer the second question. The particle's acceleration at x is equal to 50 meter. Okay, so we have to find out the acceleration when x is equal to 50 meter. That means we have to find out the velocity at x is equal to 50, and then we can 15, and then we can put this value of velocity in the first equation of acceleration. Okay, because we don't have the direct equation for acceleration, which is function of the position, but we have the equation for acceleration, which is function of velocity. Okay, so first get the velocity at x is equal to 15. So put this value in this equation. So x is 15. So this is equal to 0.05 log to the base e 20 upon v. So v is the unknown. So try to simplify this. So first get the value log to the base e 20 upon v, that is equal to 15 into 0.05. So this is 0.75. Okay. So to solve this, we can write this log equation as 20 upon v, this is equal to e raised to 0.75. Okay, so get the value e raised to 0.75. So this is equal to So this is 2.117, and then get the value of V, that is equal to 20 divided by 2.117. So that is okay. So now put this value of velocity, that is a 9.44, into the first equation of acceleration. So refer the acceleration equation. A is equal to minus 0.05 v square. Okay. So here A is equal to minus 0.05. V value is 9.44. So acceleration, this value is equal to minus 4.45 meter per second square. Okay.